For millennia, civilizations have vied for dominance through territorial expansion, technological breakthroughs, and above all, weaponry. Today we find ourselves at the dawn of a transformative era, an arms race not driven by conventional firepower, but by artificial intelligence. This shift will redefine national security, geopolitical power, and the way we perceive global stability. The rise of AI in military applications is not just an evolution, it is a revolution that will challenge our very notions of control and security. In the past, military revolutions were defined by human ingenuity, but today, machines are taking the lead. AI is not merely a tool that amplifies human capabilities. It is an independent force that can make split-second decisions with consequences that may be irreversible. We must ask ourselves, are we truly prepared for a world where machines dictate the course of war? Technology has always dictated the outcomes of battles. The advent of gunpowder reshaped empires. The Industrial Revolution mechanized conflicts, and nuclear capabilities altered global diplomacy. Now, we are on the cusp of another seismic shift: artificial intelligence. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt this amazing program, but I need a little help. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can probably see our subscriber number right below the video. And if you're able to, it would mean the world if you could subscribe to our new and growing channel. When you subscribe, it helps our videos get exposed to more audiences like yourself. Our mission is simple: to bring you cool content that inspires, informs, and adds real value to your life. In return, my team and I promise to keep pushing harder than ever to make this show better for you every single week. Thank you for being part of this journey. We couldn't do it without you. Now let's get back to our video. Unlike previous innovations, AI does not just enhance human capabilities. It has the potential to function independently, making decisions at speeds far beyond human comprehension. Artificial intelligence is changing the very nature of combat, shifting warfare from a human-driven endeavor to one governed by algorithmic precision. Modern militaries are integrating AI into every facet of warfare: battlefield surveillance, cyber operations, autonomous drones, and predictive intelligence. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data instantaneously, identifying threats, strategizing countermeasures, and even executing attacks without direct human intervention. The battlefield of tomorrow may be fought not by soldiers, but by machines guided by complex neural networks. AI is no longer just an auxiliary tool. It is becoming an autonomous force in military strategy. From self-piloted drones that can identify and neutralize threats in real time to AI-driven intelligence systems capable of tracking adversaries with unparalleled accuracy, AI is redefining modern combat. These technologies can provide strategic advantages, but they also raise profound concerns about unintended escalation and loss of human oversight in life and death scenarios. Imagine a scenario where two AI-driven forces engage in combat, making rapid-fire decisions based on pre-programmed parameters. Could an algorithm misinterpret an action as a hostile move and escalate a conflict beyond human control? Could an AI-powered defense system mistakenly target civilians? These are no longer hypothetical questions, but urgent dilemmas we must address. As we push forward with these developments, it is crucial to consider their implications. AI-powered weapon systems have the capability to learn and adapt on the battlefield, potentially making decisions that even their creators do not fully understand. Without clear ethical guidelines and human oversight, we could face situations where AI-driven warfare spirals into uncontrollable chaos. The ability to respond to unpredictable enemy actions is an essential part of military strategy, and AI's capacity to operate autonomously presents both an advantage and a dangerous liability. Leading nations are engaged in a competitive AI arms race. The United States, China, and Russia are allocating billions towards AI-powered military technology. The country that pioneers AI in warfare will not only secure an advantage on the battlefield, but also reshape global politics. This race is not just about military might. It is about influence, intelligence dominance, and the ability to dictate global narratives. AI supremacy is not limited to battlefield applications. Governments are investing in AI-driven cyber warfare, autonomous reconnaissance, and large-scale data analysis for intelligence operations. Countries that control AI technology will have the power to manipulate information, disrupt enemy infrastructure, and conduct highly sophisticated digital warfare. The race for AI dominance is no longer confined to military budgets. It has become an integral part of economic, political, and technological supremacy. This is not hypothetical. AI is already being utilized in cyber warfare, autonomous defense systems, intelligence gathering, and even large-scale misinformation campaigns. The nature of warfare is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Governments and defense agencies are leveraging AI to predict conflicts before they occur, conduct real-time battlefield analysis, and deploy self-learning systems capable of adapting to enemy tactics in real time. With this accelerating race for AI dominance, nations risk falling into a dangerous spiral of unchecked military development. If each country focuses solely on outpacing its rivals, collaboration and ethical considerations may be cast aside in favor of technological superiority. International alliances, defense strategies, and even the very definition of warfare could be rewritten in ways we have yet to fully grasp. If we do not establish international safeguards and agreements now, the consequences could be dire. Just as nuclear treaties were established to prevent catastrophic consequences, we need global regulations on AI-driven warfare. Without international cooperation, we risk unleashing a force beyond our control. Governments must recognize that while AI presents strategic advantages, it also introduces unparalleled risks if left unchecked. We need a framework that ensures transparency in AI decision-making processes. Military AI systems should be subject to strict oversight, with human intervention required for critical operations. Additionally, treaties must be established to prevent the proliferation of autonomous weapons to rogue states and non-state actors. Furthermore, we must enforce ethical AI development practices, ensuring that AI is programmed with fail-safes to prevent unintended escalations. Nations must collaborate to establish verification mechanisms similar to nuclear arms inspections to ensure compliance with international AI warfare agreements. It is imperative that world leaders come together to create and enforce global AI treaties. These treaties must include restrictions on fully autonomous weaponry, mandates for human oversight, and mechanisms to monitor AI deployments across military systems. Without proper governance, the risk of AI-driven warfare spiraling into uncontrollable scenarios remains high. Nations must be held accountable, and transparency should be a global standard in military AI advancements. This is a call to action. If we fail to regulate AI now, we may find ourselves in a future where machines, not humans, determine the fate of nations. The time to act is now, before AI advances beyond our ability to regulate it. While governments and international bodies hold significant power in regulating AI and warfare, the role of public awareness and activism cannot be underestimated. History has shown us that public pressure can lead to monumental changes in policy and governance. From environmental movements to human rights campaigns, collective voices have the power to shape the future. It's crucial for the public to stay informed about the advancements and risks associated with AI in warfare. Knowledge is power, and an informed populace can hold their leaders accountable. Social media, educational campaigns, and public forums can serve as platforms to raise awareness and advocate for responsible AI use. Activists and concerned citizens can push for transparency and ethical standards in AI development. By demanding that governments and corporations prioritize human safety and ethical considerations, we can influence the trajectory of AI technologies. Moreover, public advocacy can drive the creation of international coalitions and watchdog organizations dedicated to monitoring AI advancements. These groups can play a pivotal role in ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. In this critical juncture, every voice matters. By staying informed and engaged, the public can help steer the development of AI towards a future that prioritizes peace and ethical considerations over unchecked technological advancement. AI is the most transformative weapon of our time. Like all revolutionary technologies, its impact will be shaped by the choices we make today. Will we use AI to prevent conflicts, or will we allow it to push us toward automated warfare? The decisions we make today will determine whether AI becomes a force for peace or a harbinger of destruction. The AI arms race is already underway. The question is, how will we navigate its trajectory? Will we act responsibly and collaboratively? Or will we allow AI to spiral into an uncontrollable force? The future is in our hands. Thank you for watching. How do you feel about AI? Leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel.